I have a simple error to my DJ controller, or I mean Serato Lite or whatever Pro. This is a very simple technique of an error when you saw that error. So the simple trick is you need to remove this USB cable here and reconnect again, and that error will disappear. That's a simple trick to those experience this kind of error to your DJ controller, Serato Lite or Pro, and it's easy technique. So let's try this now. Watch out. Watch this. Reconnect and connect again. Let's see what's happened now. There you have it. It's done, and it's back in control. Your controller will be light like this. There you have it. That's a simple trick, a simple error to your Serato Lite and Serato Pro.